How to log out of Depop.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily sign out or log out of the Depop.com account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and type in Depop.com in it and search. Make sure you're logged into your Depop.com account by entering your correct credentials. Now, go ahead and click on the drop-down or your profile icon at the top right corner and you will see expanded menu. Go find the logout button and click on it. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out of your current Depop.com account. You can easily sign in again next time by entering your correct credentials. So that's it. That way you can easily secure your account or switch devices on Depop by securely logging out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.